Hello guys, welcome to the multiple choice question series on the YouTube channel Langlet Guide. I am Saurav Rokle and today I am going to present some MCQs on the topic The Homecoming by Rabindranath Tagore on behalf of Professor Sunil Devkar and Professor Balasaheb Rohokle from the exam perspective. But before we start, subscribe our channel if you haven't already and be sure to give a like if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. Who is the author of the story The Homecoming? The options are A. O. Henry, B. Anton Chekhov, B. Somerset Maugham, or D. Rabindranath Tagore. The correct option is D. Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 2. Rabindranath Tagore is a well-known Dadaist poet, musician and playwright. The options are A. Tamil, B. Maharashtrian, C. Bengali, or D. Kannada. The correct option is C. Bengali. Question number 3. Rabindranath Tagore is the first Asian author to win the Dadaist Prize for Literature. The options are A. Nobel, B. Nobel, C. Pulitzer, or D. Sahitya Ratna. The correct option is A. Nobel. Question number 4. Rabindranath Tagore is famous for his dash collection of poetry and Shantiniketan. The options are A. Leaves of Grass, B. The Dance of the Peacock, C. Gitanjali, or D. Says Tuka. The correct option is C. Gitanjali. Question number 5. The Homecoming is a tragic tale of dash. The options are A. Makhan, B. Phatick, C. Bishambar, or D. Phatick's mother. The correct option is B. Phatick. Question number 6. The Homecoming is about journey of Phatick from village home to dash. The options are A. Calcutta, B. Bangalore, C. Nagpur, or D. Delhi. The correct option is A. Calcutta. Question number 7. Who is Bishambar? The options are A. Phatick's friend, B. Phatick's father, C. Phatick's uncle, or D. Makhan's friend. The correct option is C. Phatick's uncle. Question number 8. The Homecoming contrasts the innocence and frivolity or foolishness of youth with tragic seriousness of dash. The options are A. Unpredictable occurrences, B. Ringleader, C. Schoolboy, or D. Two brothers. The correct option is A. Unpredictable occurrences. Question number 9. Who was Phatick Chakravarti? The options are A. A schoolboy, B. A ringleader, C. An actor, or D. A musician. The correct option is B. A ringleader. Question number 10. Who is Makhan? The options are A. Phatick's elder brother, B. Phatick's stepbrother, C. Phatick's younger brother, or D. Phatick's friend. The correct option is C. Phatick's younger brother. Question number 11. How did Phatick and his friends behave with Makhan at riverside? The options are A. Gave him sweets, B. Heaved the log with Makhan in river, C. Gave him money, or D. Called their leader. The correct option is B. Heaved the log with Makhan in river. Question 12. How does Makhan react when he was bitten? The options are A. Decides to complain in the police station, B. Decides to become the ringleader of the boys, C. Decides to call his friends and beat Phatick, or D. Scratches Phatick's face and beats and kicks him. The correct option is D. Scratches Phatick's face and beats and kicks him. Question 13. Who were the members of Bishambar's family? The options are A. Wife and a daughter, B. Wife and 2 sons, C. Wife and 3 sons, or D. Wife and his parents. The correct option is C. Wife and 3 sons. Question 14th. How did Bishambar's wife react upon learning that Phatick would be staying with them? The options are A. Welcome the decision. B. Thought an unnecessary addition in their family. C. Accepted the decision. Or D. Planned to give him good education. The correct option is B. Thought an unnecessary addition in her family. Question 15. Who did Fatick confess to when he lost his lesson book? The options are A. His uncle, B. His younger brother, C. His teacher, or D. His aunt. The correct option is D. His aunt. Question 16. Bishamba comes to visit his sister by dash dash. The options are A. Bus, B. Car, C. Train, or D. Boat. The correct option is D. Boat. Question 17. What makes Fatick's mother to shout at him? The options are A. He misses his lessons, B. Makhan's complaint, C. He lost his book, or D. He is a ringleader. The correct option is B. Makhan's complaint. Question 18th. Who was the stranger that came to Fatick's house? The options are A. The servant, B. Bishamba or uncle, C. Aunt, or D. His friend. The correct option is B. Bishamba or uncle. Question 19. How old is Fatick? The options are A. 20, B. 16, C. 14, or D. 12. The correct option is C. 14. Question 20. When and where was Rabindranath Tagore born? The options are A. 7 May 1861 in Calcutta, B. 7 May 1862 in Calcutta, C. 7 May 1761 in Calcutta, or D. 7 May 1863 in Calcutta. The correct option is A. 7 May 1861 in Calcutta. Question 21. Fatick Chakravarti spent the whole day dash dash swimming in the river and playing mischief. The options are A. Playing cricket, B. Flying kites, C. Reading books, or D. Helping others. The correct option is B. Flying kites. Question 22. Why was Fatick unwelcome to his aunt? The options are A. His dirty appearance, B. She is poor, C. She feeds 3 sons, D. She has to do office work. The correct option is C. Already feeds 3 sons. Question 23. How does Fatick's cousin behave with him? The options are A. Jeer or mock and insult him, B. Do not play with him, C. Treat him as a friend, or D. Always ready to help him. The correct option is A. Jeer or mock and insult him. Question 24. What makes Fatick to run away from his uncle's house? The options are A. Rude treatment given by aunt, cousins and teacher, B. Makhan's love, C. His love for friends and mischiefs, or D. To meet police. The correct option is A. Rude treatment given by aunt, cousins and teacher. Question 25. What new mischief gets into Fatick's head at the beginning of the story? The options are A. Kill frogs in the river, B. Steal friends' money, C. Roll away heavy log, or D. Steal kites from shop. The correct option is C. Roll away heavy log. Question 26. Fatick and his friends are annoyed with Makhan because he dash dash. The options are A. Demands their fishing rods, B. Disobey their order, C. Challenge them, or D. Demands their kites. The correct option is B. Disobey their order. Question 27. Why did Fatick's mother plan to send him to Calcutta? The options are A. To visit Victoria Memorial Hall, B. To visit Howrah Bridge, C. To meet his aunt, or D. Worried of his behavior. The correct option is D. Worried of his behavior. Question 28. Why does Bisambar send a message to his sister? The options are A. Fatick is serious, B. To visit the hospital, C. Worries Fatick's deeds, or D. He wants to meet her. The correct option is A. Fatigue is serious. Question 29. There was a heavy log lying on the mud flat of the river waiting to be shaped into a dash dash for a boat. The options are A. Deck, B. Must, C. Mast, or D. Anchor. The correct option is C. Mast. Question 30. Bishambar is a middle-aged man with dash dash and dark moustache. The options are A. White hair, B. Grey hair, C. Black hair, or D. Red hair. The correct option is B. Grey hair. Question 31. Fatigue's mother calls him a dash dash. The options are A. Little schoolboy, B. Little ringleader, C. Little hero, or D. Little villain. The correct option is D. Little villain. Question 32. Fatigue's mother bows to the ground and touches dash dash feet. The options are A. Fatigues, B. Makhans, C. Bishambars, or D. Constables. The correct option is C. Bishambars. Question 33. Bishambar's sister becomes a widow when he was in dash dash. The options are A. Bombay, B. Calcutta, C. Bangalore, or D. Goa. The correct option is A. Bombay. Question 34. Bishambar was told by his sister that Fatigue was a perpetual nuisance, lazy, dash dash, and wild. The options are A. Disciplined, B. Obedient, C. Disobedient, or D. Wise. The correct option is C. Disobedient. Question 35. According to mother, Makhan is dash dash as quiet as a lamb and fond of reading. The options are A. As good as diamond, B. As good as silver, C. As good as brass, or D. As good as gold. The correct option is D. As good as gold. Question 36. The mother was in daily fear that Fatigue would either drown, dash dash someday in the river, or break his head in a fight. The options are A. Aunt, B. Makhan, C. Bishambar, or D. Cousins. The correct option is B. Makhan. Question 37. Fatigue was on pins and needles all day long with excitement and lay awake most of the night. Here, pins and needles means dash dash. The options are A. Agitated suspense, B. Surprise, C. Fear, or D. Worry. The correct option is A. Agitated suspense. Question 38. Fatigue bequeaths, that is, gives or donate to Makhan his fishing rod, big kite, and dash dash. The options are A. Books, B. Toys, C. Marbles, or D. Dress. The correct option is C. Marbles. Question 39. According to Aunt, dash dash is neither ornamental nor useful. The options are A. Fatigue, B. Bishambar, C. Police, or D. Teachers. The correct option is A. Fatigue. Question 40. If Fatigue talks with a childish lisp, he is called a baby, and if he answers in a grown-up way, he is called dash dash. The options are A. Handsome, B. Clever, C. Impertinent, or rude, and D. Wise. The correct option is C. Impertinent or rude. Question 41. For a boy of 14, his dash dash is the only paradise. The options are A. School, B. Home, C. Mother, or D. Friend. The correct option is B. Home. Question 42. What makes Fatigue hard to breathe or suffocate in his aunt's house? The options are A. Dull atmosphere, B. Comfortable atmosphere, C. Healthy atmosphere, or D. Cramped atmosphere. The correct option is D. Cramped atmosphere. Question 43. Who has prejudiced views about Fatigue? The options are A. Bishambar, B. Makhan, C. Mother, or D. Aunt. The correct option is C. Mother. Question 44. Aunt calls fatigue a clumsy and country dash dash. The options are A. Beggar, B. Vagabond, C. Lout or stupid, and D. Tramp. The correct option is C. Lout or stupid. Question 45. Fatigue was suffering of dash dash at his uncle's house. The options are A. Stroke, B. Diarrhea, C. Cancer, or D. Fever. The correct option is D. Fever. Question 46. Whom does Bishambar refer as a stranger? The options are A. His wife, B. His children, C. Makhan and Fatigue, or D. His sister. The correct option is C. Makhan and Fatigue. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video.